Did you know? When you inhale helium, your voice sounds high-pitched and funny, because the speed of sound in helium is much faster than in normal air. Air is mostly nitrogen and oxygen, with an average molecular weight of about 29 g per mole. Helium is much lighter, 4 g per mole. Because of this, sound waves travel about 3 times faster in helium than in air. Your vocal cords still vibrate at the same fundamental frequency, but the resonances in your vocal tract, mouth, throat, nasal cavity, shift upward in helium. These resonances are what shape the timbre and formants of speech. Since they are much higher in helium, your voice sounds squeaky or cartoon-like. The pitch itself doesn't really change. What changes is the quality of the sound. That's why it sounds like you're speaking in a higher pitch, even though your vocal cords are vibrating the same way. Breathing a little helium is usually harmless, but inhaling too much can displace oxygen and cause suffocation or fainting. Like and subscribe for more fun facts.